Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima and I are glad that you have joined us. Yes, Anne and I are excited to see you here today. Today we have the May Allure box for 2023. It's the Mother's Day edition, and so let's jump on in. Oh yes, let's go. First up from Refi, we have a brow pomade. It is in the shade medium, and this was something that they gave us an option to pick the shade that we wanted. We had light, medium, dark to pick from. I appreciated being able to pick a shade. I really don't use this type of a product, but I'm thinking it will come in handy if I can get my act together and do some more eyeshadow tutorial type looks, that this will come in handy with the mannequin that I use. So I was happy to get this product. This next item is a lip liner. It is from a company UMOA. I don't quite know how to pronounce that one, or if you just say the letters. I don't mind the color of the lip liner. It looks like a very nice color. Hang on to that for me, Fatima. Thank you. Certainly looks like a very nice color. The color shade is called Ross. What I did not care for, and I'm not going to show on camera, I did not care for their tagline, I guess you would call it. I don't think that type of language, it's not completely vulgar, yet I don't think that type of language is appropriate. I don't know if I'm even going to use this product. I don't know if I want to share this product. That is undecided, which is unfortunate. It is a nice looking shade. I just don't feel their tagline wording is appropriate. So with that being said, let's move on to the next item. We have seen this one before. Yes, we have, and there's nothing wrong with getting another little package of 6 of them in here. These are blemish patches, and yes, even at my age and stage in life, I do get the occasional breakout or pimple, so it is nice to have these around for just in case. They do work. You put it on overnight, and in the morning, things are either completely gone or at least significantly reduced. So we are halfway through this box. What did you see that you liked? Our favorite item is the blemish patch. Comment down below, what is your favorite item? And now, moving right along, Fatima is holding the next item, which is from Kaibon Beauty, and I hope I said that right. My apologies if I butchered up that name. This is a face mask. It's a rejuvenating face mask. It looked wonderful until I looked at the ingredients. Unfortunately, it has almond oil in it. I'm allergic to nuts, and so this will get passed on to someone else in the future home box. Eva NYC has given us a sample size of their Freshen Up dry shampoo, and apparently this improves volume and it does not leave any type of a white cast or anything in your hair, which is appreciated. And I've taken a sniff of it. It smells sort of like a little bit of baby powder scent to it, but yet not overwhelming or overpowering. So this will go into my let's give it a try line. Next, from Sunday Riley, we have a 10% niacinamide face serum, and it has little to no scent, which I appreciate because scents can bother my allergies. And it dries down very nice and very easily and very quickly, at least according to the brochure. So I look forward to giving this one a try. And I think out of the second half of the box, this would probably be my top choice, my favorite pick. What did you like from the second half of the box? Comment down below. I want to know. I am nosy. moving along to the nitty-gritty, you mean the pricing? Yes, I do. This is a $25 a month box plus tax. You are guaranteed $100 in value. You get 6 items, 3 full size, 3 sample size. I think we got extra full size this month. I do believe we may have. And if you need to cancel for whatever reason, you need to call them to cancel, and it goes into effect the month after you call. The box comes with a brochure with a very nice person on the front, and inside the front cover there is the phone number if you should need to call them, and you get to talk to a real live person. That's always nice. Yes, it is. And the brochure also tells you about the items. I highlight stuff so I know what I'm talking about. The Sunday Riley product is full size at $65. The brow pomade is full size at $20. The lip liner product is $16. The Kaibon face mask is $13. There's a page. And we have the dry shampoo as a sample size. Full size would be $6 for an ounce. And the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch is $12.99. All things considered, I'm very pleased with this box. There was a nice bit of blend of skincare, hair care, and makeup. So let us know what you think. Do you get this box? Do you like this box? And please consider giving us a like. That would help us out. And if you would like to, subscribe to this channel, because you don't want to miss the fun adventures that we have. And we have some fun adventures. Yes, we do. And we hope to see you again. And there should be something popping up on the screen that you might not have seen. Or if you've seen it before, maybe you want to see it again. We hope to see you soon. Oh boy. Well, we hope to see you soon. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.